conversion between fractions and decimal. So from here I'm going to explain there is few maths. Number one, convert the following decimals into fraction. Give your answers in lowest term. The format is, that is, convert the following decimal into fraction. First of all, decimal to fraction, and you must write the answers in lowest terms. So question 1a, 0.375. It's very simple. 375. You can write 1 after decimal. There are 3 digits, so write 3 zeros. Now if you simplify,
3 by 8.
Sorry?
3 by 8.
3 by 8. 3 by 8. Now let's see f. 1.004. So it is becoming 1004 divided by 1000. Now what should it be?
251 by 250.
251 by 250.
250.
But keep it in your mind, this is improper fraction. It is not good practice to give the answers in this improper fraction. So divide it. Divide it, and 250 1, that is 250. So 1. So your answer should be 1 whole 1 by 250. Okay, any question? I think no. Okay, see question number 2. Convert the following fraction into decimal. You can solve this maths in 2 different methods. Convert the following fraction into decimal. You can solve this maths in 2 different methods. So let's see. First method is division. Suppose this is half. You can do long division. Long division means you can take here 2, 0.05 to the 10. This is now 0.5. Okay. Alternative method is, that is, to make denominator as 10 or 20. So multiply by 5, multiply by 5. This is 5 by 10. So you can write here 0.5. Any methods you can solve, in any method. Let us see f. 18 divided by 25. But I don't like big division. Okay. So sometimes we need to do, but it is very easy if you if you solve without division. See, this is 100 and 5, 18. What's the result? 72. Let us see what is recurring decimal. So suppose we are dividing 1 by 3. Okay, we are dividing 1 by 1 over 3. Now if you see that, if you divide 1 by 3, 0 point, then 0, 3 3s are 9. Now take 1, you can take 3 0, again 3 3s are 9. See, it will go in that way. 0, 3 3s are 9. That means it will continue in that way. 0.3333333 in that way. But it's quite difficult to write all the 3 in that way. So I will use 1 decimal on top of the number. Which one is repeating? 0.33. On top of 3 there is 1 decimal. এখন let me divide 27 divided by 110. So let me take 1 0. Okay, so how many times? 2 times most probably, right? 220. Now this is becoming 5 0. Take another 0. How many times? 4 times, right? 440. Now it's becoming 0. It is becoming what?
6.
5 0. Now how many times?
5.
5 times. If you give
Sir,
5
it will
times,
be 600 because 10 minus 4.
oh sorry, 600. Yeah, 600. So 5 times 550. Now it is becoming what? 0, 5.
5.
Now it is how many times? 4 times or 5 times? 4 times.
4.
4 times it will be 440. Now it is becoming 60, 600. Now it is becoming 5 times. So 550. Now see, 4 5 4 5. It's repeating 4 5. If you go more, you will see 4 5 4 5. All the time it will repeat 4 5 4 5. It will repeat in that way. So for this reason, we will just write 0.2, then 4 is repeating, 5 is repeating. So 4 5 4 5. Decimal. I need to check your working. So 0.0. How many times it should go?
2.
2 times. I mean, see, first of all, 2 times. Not 2 times. Oh, if you give 2 times, it will be 1.
Sir, 1 time. Sir, only
Yes,
1
it will
time.
be 1 time, not 2 times. 1 time. It should be 66. Now, if you subtract 4 and then 6, let me take 0. How many times?
9.
Sorry?
9.
9 times.
9.
If I give 9 times, what should be there? 594.
Yes.
Yes, 594.
594. 10 4
If you
6
minus it will be 460.
460. Yes, 460. Yes, 460. Now how
Then
many
it goes
times?
with 6.
6 now, right? 6 times, right? If it gives 6 times, how what will be there?
Yes, 396.
396. 396. Now,
Then 640.
wait. Yes, 642. How many times?
Then again 9. 9.
9 times. Okay. 9 times.
Yeah.
Should be, what should it be? What should be here? 5? 594.
Sir, it should be 640, not
Sir,
642.
640. You wrote 642.
sorry, 640. So it will be 594.
Yeah.
So what should it be here? 460.
460.
Now, how many
Then
times?
it keeps going.
6 times, right?
6.
6 times.
Yes.
I got the answer most probably. 396. I should not go more. I should not go more. So it is now becoming,
Sir, time is finished.
yes, we can finish here. 9696. Wait. 0.1, 9 on top decimal. Since 9696 are repeating. So 9696 are the. So, okay, thank you very much. You must mention that recurring decimal. Okay, you must mention. Somebody you are not mentioning. Sharon, you didn't write decimal. So, okay, thank you very much. Bye. If you have any question, you can ask me. Sharon, any question? Noshin, any question? Noshin? So thank you very much for having the classes with me. See you in next classes. Bye.